to be delicious. Okay, you guys, I am gonna make this corned beef, and yeah, I'm gonna take it out of this pack, and actually I'm breaking the corned beef up. So this corned beef is gonna be actually good. Okay, you guys, and yeah, so I'm using some seasoning. This is what we're having for breakfast, and I'm using some minced garlic. Okay. This minced garlic is going to be delicious. Alright, you guys. And yeah, drop some minced garlic in there. Alright. And I'm also going to use some, what am I going to use here? Yeah, this is pretty good. So I have some olive oil in here, some minced garlic. Okay, then I'm going to add some seasoned salt, just a little bit, not seasoned salt, adobo. Just a little bit of adobo. I don't want it to be too salty. And I added some garlic powder. So we're just gonna let that cook and simmer. I'm just gonna break it up. This is corned beef. So I'm just gonna break it up like that. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I know you guys wondering why am I using a spoon. I can't find my other utensils, but yeah. Add some garlic powder in there. Okay. And I'm just gonna let that cook. I'm just going to let that cook inside of the olive oil, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back again. Look at that corned beef. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So, yes, now I'm going to put some of this onion, green onion inside of there, and let that simmer in there. I shouldn't have added the olive oil, but I keep forgetting that the corned beef does make its own juice. But yeah, so we're just gonna let that cook, whatever. And the olive oil kind of makes it a little bit tender. That's why I do it. So yeah, it makes it tender. It helps with making it a little bit more easy to eat. So yeah, but eventually I'm gonna drain it, you guys. So yes, I am gonna drain it. Okay. Don't worry, you'll see how I do it. All right, you guys. So yeah, so now I'm gonna continue to fry this, cook this, and let that just cook in there. Okay, you guys. And I will be right back. Okay, you guys. Okay, so what I'm making with this corned beef is this corned beef hash. I'm cooking it up, stirring it up, letting it cook to absorb all the moisture. I had to drain some of it out, but don't worry, you guys, it's gonna be nice and delicious and tender. So what I'm making is a corned beef hash grill cheesy melt. Okay, I'm making a corned beef hash cheesy melt, which is gonna be really delicious, and it's gonna be basically on a bagel. Okay, so I'm just showing you how to do it. Yeah, I usually make it with eggs, but I'm not. So I'm just making it just cheesy melt, corned beef hash cheesy melt, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, so I add all the ingredients inside of it. I don't season it too much because I don't like too much of the seasoning in it. So I got garlic powder. I use some minced garlic and some adobo. That's it, just simple stuff. Oh yeah. And I do have to add my black pepper. Okay, I do have to add some black pepper, which I do add some black pepper in there. Okay, you guys. And yeah, just a tad bit of black pepper. And then I just let this corned beef hash just cook a little bit longer because I like for my corned beef hash to be cooked a little bit, you know, make sure it's well done. Okay, you guys. So yeah, we're just gonna let this bad boy cook. So I see some crisp at the end. Okay. And I will be right back. Okay, and I forgot, I have to add my seasoned salt in there, just a tad bit of it. Okay, I'm just gonna let that cook with the seasoned salt and let it cook a little bit longer, and then we're gonna add the cheese on it. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna place my cheese on here since everything is done. I'm gonna start laying my cheese onto the corned beef hash. Okay, this is the corned beef hash cheesy melt. Okay, and this is how I eat my corned beef hash every morning. Then once I'm done with that, I put my top over it, and then we're gonna let it melt. Okay, you guys, and I will be right back. Here we go, you guys, that cheesy melt. Here it is, my corned beef hash cheesy melt. It looks so delicious, doesn't it? And I hope you enjoyed my cooking this morning. This is my breakfast in the morning. I hope you enjoyed it, her delicious cooking, and I will see you guys soon.